payloads. Well, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure this afternoon to describe for you today's flight demonstration by the C17 Globemaster 3, the strategic airlift capability. The C17 design includes a modern computerized glass cockpit, heads-up displays at both pilot stations, and advanced cargo handling systems. The advanced design of the aircraft allows it to accomplish its entire mission with this minimum crew. And in case you're wondering how big its wingspan is, tip to tip, it's about half the length of a football field. The tail is over 5 stories. With maximum cargo and fuel loaded, the gross weight rises to over 500,000 pounds. To give you a better idea of the aircraft's overall size, those winglets are over 3 meters tall. The aircraft is extremely agile at both high and low speeds, making it easy to operate in any tactical situation, including the combat delivery capability of paratroopers or heavy equipment airdrop. The aircraft is maneuvering to demonstrate its full flap approach. It allows the aircraft to land at over 6,000 more airfields than are currently available to commercial wide-bodied aircraft. The C17 you see today weighs almost 350,000 pounds. The speed on final was around 200 kilometers per hour. Well, there you are. The crew have just demonstrated the very short landing distance of the C17. Now they're backing up. Out of max reverse, the aircraft is demonstrating a capability limited to a very few aircraft. The maneuverability is extremely important when space is limited